What is that? What is that? It's a fireman! Woohoo!
It's his first parade.
Look, there's a puppy on the parade.
That scared him.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey! Hey! There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Liam's first parade. Yay! Liam's first parade.
Yay, we got so much candy.
Woo!
Maybe we'll let him try one of those suckers we got.
Yeah, I bet he would like that.
Yeah.
That siren scared him.
I know.
It made him jump.
It was so cute.
Do we get some good candy?
Yes. This is it. Well, it's not all. Underneath there's candy we already had.
Yeah.
We got some suckers and chocolate. So that's all for Mommy
It's all for Liam.
and Daddy. But you can have a lick of a sucker. You can lick one if you want. But it was so cute.
Mm-hmm.
His first parade. Woohoo! Yay! We saw one of our friends and he gave us extra candy.
Yeah.
Here. You want to hold the sucker?
You gotta grab it.
You want to hold it?
Good job. Look at the big boy.
He's holding the pineapple sucker. He's so cute. The wrapper's still on, Dad. You silly.
You gotta take the wrapper off, big boy.
Should we take it off?
Yeah.
See what he does? Here, let me see. It's all wet. Here you go. He's like, what are you staring at me? I'm just holding a toy. Put it in your mouth.
Is that yummy?
What do you think?
Is that yummy?
You should have put a bib on him.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's enough for now, big boy. Don't want you to choke on it.
Yummy. Do some pull-ups.
He was.
Oh. Oh, he's trying to reach for him. That's your brother. Tommy, you be nice, okay? You sure Tommy doesn't scratch him.